Hi, my name is Eduardo Soto and I am the designer of the IFA House. I would like to thank the Community Planning and Design Initiative Africa for giving us the opportunity to showcase our work and also for taking the time and the effort to prepare this wonderful competition. Thank you. I have two very important reasons to participate in this competition. First, I was very excited with the idea of learning about African culture and with challenging myself to develop an architectural design specifically conceived for the requirements of the African continent. I personally believe that when you expose yourself to difficult design problems or to design problems that are unfamiliar to you, you grow as a designer. My second reason for participating in this competition was that by doing research in preparation for my project, I could be learning something about my own history. Now let me explain a little bit more about that. I live and work in the US, but originally I am a Puerto Rican. Puerto Rico is a small island in the middle of the Caribbean with a long history of racial diversity. Much like the people of Cuba and the Dominican Republic, Puerto Ricans are the result of the mixture of Taino Indians, Spaniards, and Africans. We are very proud of our African ancestry, and even today you can see its influences in our cuisine, in our language, and especially in our music. So by participating in this competition, I was connecting my passion for design with my own history. According to historians, the largest groups of Africans that came to the Caribbean were the Yorubas, Igbos, and Bantus from the countries of Nigeria, Benin, and Guinea. So from those three groups, the ones that made the most impact in our Puerto Rican culture were the Yorubas, and for that reason I selected them to be the ethnic group to inspire my design. So in addition, I also used Nigeria's climatic conditions and natural resources as a starting point for my design and to select which materials will be locally available for a sustainable building. The most important thing that I learned when doing research for this competition was the importance of the central space in Yoruba architecture. This is very easy to understand when you study the two most common dwellings used by the Yoruba people, the Orowa house and the Impluvium house. In the Orowa house, all the rooms are linked to each other through a central hall that serves as the main connector of the structure. In the Impluvium house, all the rooms are built around a courtyard that is used to collect rainwater. So at the core of these two types of dwellings is the idea that a central space serves for the social and the practical needs of the residents. And so the most challenging aspect of the design was trying to maintain the essence of that open space and make it the organizing element of the composition of the IFA House. In closing, I would like to say that I feel extremely proud of having participated in the first competition held by the Community Planning and Design Initiative Africa. I believe that this kind of efforts is what will inspire a new generation of architects and designers to embrace their culture and to use it to contribute in a meaningful way to the conversation about contemporary architecture. Thank you.